Samsung truly cares. From packaging, to your opening of the product, to even the disposal, the environment is high priority, from our hands to yours. You don't need to be surprised at a large box, nor excessive packaging. We can either recycle or reuse most of it. Our team's endless efforts keep every part constantly upgraded and simple, even the invisible parts inside. We diligently reduce plastic use while enhancing our battery-free technology. We've studied tirelessly to reduce energy consumption, even just a little bit, while you're watching our screens continually. Our remote management easily handles your energy usage, anywhere, anytime, no matter where your screens are. It saves energy according to ambient light levels. Is that it? Absolutely not. Even that discarded packaging can be transformed into a work of art placed in your home. So, ask yourself, how has your day gone with your Samsung screen? Use Samsung screens, and now you'll join our journey to respect the environment from the birth of products to their retirement. Come join us, everywhere, every day.